Understanding time. More than just a clock. Time is one of the most mysterious aspects of existence. We experience it as a continuous flow from past to present to future, but what exactly is it? Scientists, philosophers, and physicists have debated whether time is a fundamental part of the universe or just a human-made concept. The scientific definition of time. In physics, time is defined as the progression of events from one moment to the next. It is measured using clocks, but at a deeper level, time is linked to entropy, the natural tendency of systems to move from order to disorder. This explains why we experience time moving forward rather than backward. Why do we perceive time as linear? Our brains are wired to experience time in a linear fashion. This perception helps us function in daily life, allowing us to plan, learn from the past, and anticipate the future. However, physics suggests that time may not be as straightforward as we experience it. Einstein's theory. Time is relative. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity shows that time is not constant. It can speed up or slow down depending on gravity and motion. Someone traveling near the speed of light would experience time more slowly than someone on Earth. This challenges our common idea of a fixed, linear timeline. The block universe theory. All time exists at once. Some physicists propose the block universe theory, which suggests that past, present, and future all exist simultaneously. In this view, time is like a frozen landscape, and our consciousness moves through it like a traveler reading pages of a book. If true, this means time is not truly flowing, it only appears that way to us. Quantum mechanics and time's uncertainty. At the quantum level, time becomes even stranger. Some interpretations of quantum mechanics suggest that time might not be fundamental at all but instead an emergent property of the universe. Certain quantum experiments hint that the future could even influence the past, challenging our traditional view of cause and effect. Cultural differences in time perception. Not all cultures perceive time the same way. Western societies often see time as a strict, forward-moving line, while some indigenous cultures view it as cyclical. In Buddhist philosophy, time is seen as an illusion, where past, present, and future are interconnected rather than separate. Time and human consciousness. Our sense of time is closely linked to memory and anticipation. The brain constructs a narrative of experiences, giving us the illusion of a continuous timeline. Without memory, we wouldn't feel the passage of time at all. Each moment would seem isolated and disconnected. Could we ever experience time differently? If we could alter our brain's perception or discover new physics, we might experience time in ways we can't yet imagine. Technologies like time dilation in space travel or even consciousness-altering experiences might allow us to break free from the constraints of linear time. Conclusion. Time is more mysterious than we think. Although we experience time as a straight line, science suggests it is much more complex. Whether time is real, relative, or an illusion, it remains one of the biggest mysteries of the universe. As we continue to explore physics and consciousness, we may one day uncover new ways to understand time itself.